And day 5, check out at Owen House. And on to
Disney Cruise!
Disney Cruise! We're packing away. And nandito na ang ating bus! Going to Disney Cruise! Let's go girls! Inside! Inside! Amin na naman ang buong bus going to Disney Cruise! We are now in Disney Cruise, Marina Bay Sands Port, and we're dropping our luggage. Currently dropping our luggage. And we are now checking in. We are one check-in. Hello! 2 o'clock. Welcome! Yay! So this is where the check-in line starts. 2 p.m. Disney Adventure. 5. Yeah! Thank you. Done with check-in. Now we're going to Disney Adventure. Hello, high five. Bye bye. We're done with check-in and now we're boarding the ship. There you go. Let's go. Let's go. Hello. High five, Aurora. High five. High five. And here we go. There's the ship, Aurora. Disney Adventure, here we come! Woo! Aurora! It's cold! Hello! Hello! Big Hero! Hello! Yay! We're here! Welcome aboard! We go straight to our room! Okay, go open! Here we go. Ta-da! Here's our room. 9 to 10. Ang lamig. Hello, Singapore. Yay! Here's our room, guys. Our Elsa room. Our Elsa room.
3, 2, 1!
Adventure time!
Pixie Dusty! Everybody's doing their pixie dusting. Pixie dusting. Now we're going to the 12th floor sa room ni Tita Rose. Para mag-fix nung door naman nila.
Now we're on our room in 12210. So,
Welcome to Disney Cruise!
I want to swim.
Say welcome to Disney
I
Cruise!
want to swim.
Go, Sari!
Welcome to Disney.
Welcome to Disney Cruise!
Welcome to Disney Cruise.
One more.
Welcome to Disney Cruise. I want to swim.
Yes, we can swim. We're inside Oceanario. Ooh, look at that.
Remember the Transformers?
Yeah. Like this. Look. We will lose your dad. I'm actually getting hungry. Sige, go. Ah, there's no ball. What slide? Oh. Ooh, Rora, there's Minnie Mouse! Captain Minnie! We're in Snow White's wishing well. Go. Yes. Hello. And we are now heading to our first dinner cruise at Animator's Palace. Now, alright. Okay. Yay. Thank you.
Nabalik ka pa dito sa last day mo, no?
This is my drawing. Time to eat. Time to eat. Okay na yan. Let's do it. Hindi nagkakulay na siya, di ba?
I'll be back later, but right now, we invite you to sit back and relax as the dining room proudly presents
Your dinner. Be our guest. Be our guest. Put our service to the test. Tie your knot.
Ayan, thank you. Ayan na yung show. Where's yours? Where's yours? Where's yours, Daddy B? You put Philippines, right? Yung red. Ayan, that's there's Aurora. Daddy B? Philippines? Ayun yung akin! Yun yung akin! Yung kulot-kulot! Woo! Edits pa yan. This is my highness chicken. Dad, look for your name. Look for your name. Where's your name? Anton, no. Roger. Zai, Jam, Aurora, Vinny, Party, Ake. Where's Pressy? Mixer, mixer, Aurora, up! Up! Guys, we're at deck 7 and here at San Fran Tokyo Street Metro Station. Ayan, parang ka talaga nasa subway. And here's the map. Here's the map. Yan, sa San Fran Tokyo tayo ngayon. Diba? It's so cool. Ito yung Edge for the teenagers. Ano meron dito? Tweens exclusive programming. And then Hero Training Zone. Yun yung dalawa. Ano nangyayari dun sa dalawa? Oh, yung coin. Oh, look at that. The big coin. Ay, talaga may effects pa sila. Sriracha. 117. natin mamimit si Baymax. Mag-toilet daw tayo. Okay. Hi guys. Kala ko Hagar. I'm just here. Go, go, go. I'm sorry. Now we go to the secret room. Come here! Here! Ako na naman siya. Saan si Rose? I don't think I can go.
Toilet, 14 to 17.
Oh, hindi tayo kasama. Thank you. The girls are now pixie dusting here at the 9th floor. Drop your gift here. Thank you. Drop. Drop your gift. Gift. Where's your pixie dust? There. Okay. Alright. Hey, give some here. Babe, bigyan to. Yung pouch. Roro. Pouch. Hey, girls, give the pouch. Oh, you put it inside your bag. Oh, give some. Since you took something, give some. The princess, 10 years old. Oh my gosh! Tapos kayo, binibigay niyo Mona Milang at saka Chua. Elsa or Ariel? Which one do you like? Hey, ayan, get one! Get one! Get one! Ayan, get one lang! Get one lang! You give it to her! Thank you! You give her! Give her one! Aurora, give her one! Here, give one! Aurora! Give her one! To the girl who's giving the ano. Or give inside na lang. Inside. 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 Or to her. Yan. All right here. There. Okay, so on to the pixie dusting. Laters, guys. So now we're at Deck 5. World of Disney. Open na mga stores, mga lalabs. You can spend your monies and dollars. Dollar. Money. US dollar. Money. Bila na yan. Bayaran, cashier. Sa kabila din eh. Unahan pa. Now, ito sila. Diana's Bayou Lounge. Oh, your mom is here.